We just witnessed one of the largest, if not the largest announcements around XRP and the XRP ledger. And guys, I can't even begin to describe on how bullish this actually gets me. If you guys want to absolutely crush this market, I mean making sure that your long-term, your mid-term, and even your short-term goals are being hit in this space, you guys need to be in the Discord. I have a complete free section and a complete paid section as well, where both sides are getting a ton of value. Even the free side. Guys, I don't ignore the free side. We have weekly events in there. We're doing portfolio reviews, you name it. So what are you guys waiting for? Join the free Discord now. Links are down in the description below. Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. For the longest time, we have been talking about things that are going to make XRP potentially very valuable in the future. But one thing in my mind that is destined to make XRP very valuable and XRP holders very rich if they are still holding at that time is institutional embracement through DeFi initiatives of the XRP ledger. Now, back in May, we got this full breakdown of the timeline. These are the amendments that we are waiting for. There's a lot of other great information within this overall article, specifically around like use cases, institutional applications, things like that. But the number one thing that we have been really kind of looking at when it comes to the XRP ledger and XRP itself is what it actually lacks. Because although, yes, there's a lot of great stuff that the XRP ledger has, there's also a few crucial things that do hold it back from the rest. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about that, but before we really get into the big announcement, I want to talk a little bit more about institutional DeFi, because once we start to see this becoming a big topic, we've kind of looked at, all right, well, what could they be building? What are they going to be looking into? Well, it's all going to be through tokenization. And we got this back in the beginning of August, where we have Ripple targets institutional grade DeFi with tokenization. Now, with Open Eden tokenizing, treasury bills on the XRP ledger combined with, Archix. We also have Axeler. Like, there's a lot of great initiatives happening right now around the XRP ledger to actually fully embrace tokenization for what it is. And as we really kind of look at institutional DeFi, the thing that gets me a lot more excited about institutional DeFi on the XRP ledger with Ripple, opposed to Hedera or any other name in the space, is the fact that Ripple has been fully embracing institutionalization of blockchain-based technology forever. In fact, I would argue that Ripple was probably one of the first ones to step through the doors of major banks, or even have those major events, like, for example, Ripple Swell, or even major meetings with these big banks first. They were the first ones to do so. And it's also why when we look at Ripple and they have those, hundreds and hundreds of institutions utilizing RippleNet, we think about, all right, well, if that's the case, are they actually utilizing it at scale? What's really going on behind the scenes? Well, we know recently that we got an insight on the fact that no, institutions and enterprises, they're not actually utilizing the tech yet at scale, but they are prepared to once regulations are in place. So think about the upper hand that Ripple actually has over this entire space, and why XRP itself is going to be one of the biggest winners in the space, because it is tied back to Ripple, considering the fact that Ripple already has hundreds of institutions tapped in. And now that they're fully embracing the XRP ledger around institutional DeFi initiatives, it gets me very excited. Now, initially, we started to talk about these roles that they were actually trying to fill over on the Ripple website. These are job openings. And this is where we really kind of start to see this vision unfold, where we have the work. Institutional DeFi is critical to our mission of global financial equity and growth, and we are looking for a dynamic manager of business development to join the RippleX teams to drive adoption of institutional DeFi on the XRP ledger. In this role, the candidate will work closely with our product engineering, marketing, and trading teams to identify and pursue new partnerships and business development opportunities. Now, if we think about this, guess what this is all really kind of based upon? It's based upon tokenization. If we actually look down here, what you'll do, this gives us an insight on what's happening here. So number one is build a sustainable ecosystem and partner with projects, developers, and institutions who can build and support the growth of the XRP ledger. We also have a few things around making DeFi safe, enabling it in a compliant way, but also identify and pursue new opportunities with financial institutions, crypto native companies, and other partners who are interested in pursuing use cases on blockchains, including tokenizing real world assets. It's all focused on tokenization as a key thing to drive institutional DeFi, because the institutions are going to be starting to tokenize heavily, just like BlackRock, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton have been doing. And the XRP ledger is home for this. It really is. Now, let's talk about it, okay? I said we just witnessed one of the most bullish announcements for XRP ever. Things are about to change completely. And no, I am not, selling you guys the used car. This actually is a massive announcement. Crypto Insight UK, completely agree, man. I really am thinking it's all about institutional DeFi. And it is. This is all focused on institutional DeFi. Right now, XRP, not really moving. Don't really care about the price action right now, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, because we still have a lot of room to go when it comes to Bitcoin. We still have a lot of things to do around, fundamentals when we're talking about, TA and what leads to alt season. We still have a lot of work to do. We're talking more so about Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin, but XRP did have a little bit of a nice spike up. At the current moment in time that I'm recording this, there's not a big move here on the 7-day. We still have a long way to go until we're actually at a point in time where I do feel bullish on price action. Right now, not really there yet. But beyond this, what is the announcement? Well, over here we got a breakdown from Ripple, and we have Ripple is on the ground this week in Korea and Japan, starting off with a few key announcements, all in service of the goal to strengthen the foundations of crypto infrastructure to support blockchain utility and usability for institutional adoption. Number one, AI metaverse tech company Futureverse is partnering with Ripple Custody to securely custody its assets. Futureverse has already adopted the XRP Ledger NFT standard, uses XRP as the gas token on the root network, and is integrated within the XRP Ledger DEX to supply network liquidity. Number two, and the biggest one of the three, Ripple and the broader XRP community are committed to bringing new programmability, including smart contracts, to the XRP Ledger dev ecosystem in 2025 through the XRP Ledger EVM sidechain already in the works, as well as exploring native capabilities on the XRP Ledger mainnet. Guys, this is an absolute massive announcement. Smart contracts on the XRP Ledger. It's the number one thing that everyone has been talking about, saying like, oh, the XRP Ledger doesn't have smart contracts. So, it's going to be completely, antiquated by all these other, chains out here that have native smart contracts that you could do this, you could do that. Guess what? That argument now is completely thrown out. XRP will have smart contracts on the ledger. This is a game changer. And then also Ripple's University Blockchain Research Initiative added Korea's Yonsei University as our 58th global partner with 60 million plus committed to UBRI. This program is driving academic excellence and best-in-class research through strategic support, technical resources, and grants. Now, Brad Garlinghouse did comment on it, said, with new programmability in the works for the XRP Ledger, something the XRP community has rightfully been asking for, and the growing opportunity for Ripple's enterprise products to serve crypto native customers such as Futureverse using Ripple Custody, the foundations of crypto infrastructure serving real world use cases are steadily becoming more robust by the day. Now, if we go over here to the actual announcement from Ripple, expanding programmability on the XRP Ledger, Ripple and the broader XRP community are committed to introducing advanced programmability, including smart contracts to the XRP Ledger developer ecosystem. This move aims to provide builders, entrepreneurs, and users with additional customizability for a variety of use cases, accelerating innovation and attracting developers looking to leverage XRP Ledger's expanded capabilities. Dual advancements in XRP Ledger's programmability. Programmability on the XRP Ledger will improve through two key developments. Number one, the introduction of native smart contract capabilities on the XRP Ledger mainnet. Guys, right there, this is the number one thing that I'm focused on. Native smart contracts. We're not talking about a bridge to, this or that and getting smart contracts that way. No, this is native smart contracts. This is a game changer. In fact, this is a historical move. And I truly mean that, because for the longest time, if you guys have been around for a while, smart contracts on the XRP Ledger has always been a con. It's been a big problem, which is currently in the research phase, as well as the introduction of the XRP Ledger EVM sidechain, expected to go live in the coming months. These advancements will complement each other to create a robust, versatile ecosystem capable of supporting a wide range of applications. Smart contract programmability on the XRP Ledger mainnet. The XRP Ledger is renowned for its exceptional efficiency in transferring value, bolstered by a stable, secure, and robust infrastructure. This is underpinned by a decentralized framework upheld by a global network of validators and a transparent amendment voting process to enable new Layer 1 features. Such features, including escrows, NFTs, authorized trust lines, payment channels, the DEX plus the AMM, provide a common set of composable primitives serving a variety of use cases. Combined with the low cost and high speed of the XRP Ledger, this makes the XRP Ledger well suited for everything from traditional finance to innovative new applications in the digital economy. This growing suite of Layer 1 enhancements are designed to optimize the pace of innovation and facilitate widespread adoption among developers. While the XRP Ledger's amendment process allows for careful, collectively driven updates and provides a secure approach to introducing new widely applicable features, this leaves a gap for developers who need to handle the bespoke needs of their business but don't want to drive broad community adoption for something that may be niche. The upcoming smart contract functionality will offer additional flexibility for these developers by enabling permissionless development in a way that complements the functionality of amendments. Existing smart contract standards such as hooks from the XRP Ledger Labs lay an important foundation that can be iterated upon to enhance mainnet capabilities. This framework allows developers to leverage the Ledger's core strengths while using smart contracts to customize functionalities to meet specific needs, streamlining development and fostering innovation. Some of the main considerations for mainnet programmability are permissionless, no need for an amendment to deploy a smart contract, easy customization of native features, easy learning for new developers, minimal impact to performance and cost for infrastructure providers. Ripple, in concert with the XRP Ledger developer community, will evaluate the best way to meet these requirements on mainnet and publish an XLS proposal for broader review. And of course, the sidechain development, we have that here. This is the full breakdown. You have the Axelar connection as well being outlined. Very excited about this. Now they are mentioning that this is going to be sometime early 2025, essentially. So I'm actually very excited about this. I think that this is going to be a game changer. I've talked about it on multiple occasions. I think all of this combined, guys, I really do think that all of this is going to be massive for XRP. Anyone that is saying that it's not is ridiculous. I mean, everything that we've been witnessing on the XRP Ledger in the last year alone confirms just how big XRP will be. But it's also all focused on institutional DeFi. These dual advancements address the common needs of institutional DeFi users and developers, while empowering them to tailor solutions to their specific business or DApp requirements. Ripple and the broader XRP community are committed to nurturing a platform that not only advances in technology, but also empowers developers and businesses to create revolutionary applications. XRP community shaping the future together. Here we have it. You have EVM developers, blockchain newcomers, innovators and coders, community engagement. All of these are the focus right now. And it is going to really kind of, I would say, set ablaze a massive amount of development happening on the XRP Ledger. It's going to open the doors for institutional DeFi on the XRP Ledger, institutions as well embracing the technology. guys, I could not be any more happier about the future for the XRP ledger and XRP. Right now, as we do look at XRP, yeah, sure, price action has not been great, but things like this not only solidify the fact that XRP is going to be around for a very long time. Okay, number one. Number two, it is making XRP and the XRP ledger future-proof by allowing these things to become a reality. It builds upon the fact that XRP continues to improve, continues to upgrade, and become even more efficient and even better for institutional DeFi, institutions themselves, for end users, for developers. Guys, the future is very bright. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with it being said, this has been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.